I I hope all of you are good and doing well. So in the previous video, I was talking about that how you can tweak the brain of Ollama and change the way it's talk to and chat with us. So this is how you can tweak it and do that by changing or creating a model file, and you can use it for your purpose. So in this video, I'm talking about that Hugging Face, how you can download the Hugging Face model and use it and incorporate with your Ollama's list, and you can use it again. You can want to do some experiment or anything, you can do that. So uh, and also I'll also talk about the few more things related to Ollama which I have forgot in the last video. So I have already committed all my files in this, and this is one of the readme file which I have listed all the commands. I have also listed this command. So in this it is looking like that it is some indentation issue, but once you download it will be all okay. Yeah, I'll correct this one as well. So I'm just forgot to talk about this one. Is the Ollama is already have that things in place, mentioned that how you can do some example of Mario using Mario character, and you can do that in your way. So how you can create and how you can name that Ollama, you can run it. So this is already also steps are already mentioned. Another one is this one. This is nothing but Ollama's official GitHub repository. So in this one it is also mentioned that how you can use on how you can take advantage of model files and how you can do that changes in model files as per your wish. So this is how you can do that. Suppose you want to modify something else in the message. This is example. I'll take this example and go to my repository. So in this one, in the last video we have done that for Master Yoda and Mistral and anime. So in this video we'll talk about the anime. It's a wrapper. So I'll just paste this one. So user is Toronto in Canada, means you. Okay, so I'll say that New Delhi in India, and assistance yes, and then is, so it's asking questions and all answers. So like this one is, what is your name? Let's see. I am also have not done this one. So it's saying assistance will give this answer in this way. So I remove this one. So what is the use of this tool when I'll create this model? What is the use that once you will start that run that model, it will give the first message, it will give answers like this. It will modify the answers maybe. Let's see how it works. So I already committed all these files, but this one, whatever changes I am doing now, I'll do that in later. Okay, so let me go to my readme file, and there are some changes I have done. Let me correct it first. Boris Johnson and all. Okay, examples, this one, this one. So this I already done. So means you can use it. I also have done for, okay, so I already have for anime. Let me create this. So I already have this Ollama list in place. We have anime model. Let's run it. Let me close this one. Okay, clear, and then we'll have Ollama run. Okay, Ollama run. So you can see that the changes will reflect in a way that it's a wrapper. What is your name? Enemy. Okay, so the whatever we have asked from the beginning, it is giving as per my wish answer. So you the same question I'll also ask to this model. How far is the sun? Around, it's giving in a wrapper way, means the wrapper is singing, and then how you will get the answer. Around 93 millions away from where I am at. So this is the way it is giving that answers. So this is finish for this. Enough for, I say that, for the tweaking this Ollama model. Now I'm talking about the Hugging Face. So let me go to the Hugging Face website. So you know that people are putting lots of models inside this, and we know this models we can you can use it by programming way, but how you can use this NVIDIA model, can you download it, and can you tweak it and all these things. So in this video we are talking about only this one, this much, this one for this. So what I'll do, I'll go to my this one, go down. So I already commented it, it's also there in my first video. If means this file exists from my first video itself. So first thing, we have to create the conda environment. So once your environment has been created, you have to just activate your environment so that it will not touch your any other libraries and anything in your. So I'll go and activate this environment, clear, and then I need some libraries for this environment to install to work on it. So this is Hugging Face CLI. Another one is basically Hugging Face Hub Transfer. This library is basically mainly for if the model size is big, so you don't, it will not download and it will not give a load on your system or load on internet or something. I load on your system, so it will chunk it and download it. It's the speed of the download would be fast, otherwise the speed would be slow and you will have to wait for a hell lot of time. So let me also copy this one and doing this. So this one also installed. So the next one is basically we have clear, we have some parameters. Hugging Face enable Hugging Face transfer. So this, once you will have that functionality of download would be in chunks and you will not realize it, but yeah, the speed would be slow. When you do it by yourself, without and with, it will, you will feel it. So I have enabled it and I have already committed in this one, and I already commit this files in. You just have to remove that example hyphen example from this name, and then you can use it. So I already committed, and better if you'll use it this way. Otherwise you can also do that export in your and set the environment variable. If you are using a Windows, then also you can use it as set as an environment variable. So now I'll search for this uncensored GUFF wizard in Hugging Face. So you immediately get this, the block wizard 7B uncensored GUFF. Inside this you have to copy this one and then you have to paste it. I'll do it again. So paste it. Paste it. Before that you have to put Hugging Face download. Now if you download with only this much, then you can see, go down and you can see there are a lot of model 5.3 GB, 5.4 GB, 5. And 8 GB. There is one model of 66 GB, 9.666 GB. If you will put this much and download, system will, Hugging Face will start downloading all the models. So that's why there is another way to download is basically you can select any of the model, go inside it, copy this much, and then copy this one, the down one. Don't forget to download the down one, and then just paste it. Now if you'll download this one, you will get some path of installation. So this path you have to save it. I'll remove the above line. Not sure if there is any changes, I don't feel, but now if you have to download this one, now after download you have to create a Hugging Face model file. So in this there is a command from, and then just paste this path, save it. Hugging Face model file you have already created, and in that you have just gave the path. Now again go to my, now I already have a file name and I already have the create a uncensored wizard. I already have it, this one in my list. Let me delete it. So for deleting any model, Ollama RM, and this one. So it will download my this model. So if I want to delete any other model like Boris Johnson, Mistral, or anything, you can easily remove it. So for now I'm not doing it now, for only I'll now I have to create this model uncensored billion again. So it's creating a model. Model creation is done. Let me clear the screen first, and then Ollama list. Ollama list. You can see that the uncensored wizard 7 billion latest is downloaded. Now if you want to run it, you can run it. Is the moon? This time I am asking different question. So yeah, so this is how it works. I hope you like the video, and I'll also commit these files. Please, if you like it, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you very much.